I will show you a few ways to kill this guy right here. See him? Yeah, you see him. Don't kill me! Do not kill me! Make him, number one, make him fall off the cliff. There we go, he's dead. I think. There, so let's go on to number two. Number two, throw him away. Oh, I gotta go pee.
Someone will take my place. Okay, I'm taking his place, so okay, well, number three, we gotta wait for a little while. I wanna show him who's boss. Oh, there we go.
Wait, I made the other guy have it.
Well, this is actually the last one, but okay. Guess I gotta do it. Gotta do it.
That was how you stopped. that was how you killed him. I'm back from peeing, so we will see you next time, I guess.